how's it going? Just got done saying goodnight to my boyfriend because he's got to go to work early, like always. Hopefully I can get up in time to talk to him on the phone before he goes to work, because he works an hour away, so sometimes I'll call him at like 2:30 and we talk for a while before he goes to work. So, and then he calls me on his lunch breaks and all that, like his breaks. God, that cold cough is good. But, yeah. We had pizza for dinner. Pizza's so good. But it was delicious. Put my son to bed, told him to go inside our room. He can watch his shows, lay down, and get ready for bed, go to sleep. He's got school tomorrow, so I try to keep him on a bedtime schedule. So right now it's like 7:17 at night, so it's like time to actually like relax and get ready for bed and all that, you know what I mean? So yeah, he's in our room. He has his own room though, but I don't know, it's complicated right now. So I mean, it's a nice room, but he likes being with mommy more than anything. So maybe someday he'll grow out of it, but he does have the option to be in his own room, which my family keeps telling me I need to put him in his own room, but some nights I'll take him and put him in there, but some nights I don't. He's just so cuddly. I love him so much. Yeah. So, but anyways, I love you guys. Thumbs up and subscribe. Alright, bye.